Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a new Vegas Pro 16 tutorial on an ink bleed effect. Here we have two clips, one of a cross on a hill. It's a real beautiful video. Let's make this clip a little bit longer. I slow it down. So holding the Control key down, time stretches out right about here. Now we have an ink bleed clip. This is from Production Crate and it's a free download. I'll put a link where you can get it from. So drag this to the first track. Come to the audio for some reason, I'm not sure why. So hit the U key. Delete the audio. And delete that audio track. So let's move this right about here. Hold the Control key down. Time stretches out. Let's go to video effects. Sorry, event effects. It's like Vegas chroma key. It's the color picker tool and key of the black. Insert video track. Go to media generators. It's like legacy text. Call this cross. In the compositing mode for the first track, select cut. This will not work in Movie Studio. It will only work in Vegas Pro. Let's change the font to a thicker font. Thick fonts work better for this. So go to Generate Media. Select Impact. And scale this up a bit. And compositing child on the second track, make compositing child. It's not see-through. So you play it back, looks something like this. Gives a real beautiful effect. So that's all you have to do to create an ink bleed effect in Vegas Pro. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. New videos every Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. So once again, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.